Hello there, it's Scott from Upsher Heating and Plumbing, and we've got a customer today who was in real dire need of a filter. So scoured, there's loads of filters out there, and I come across the new MagnaClean Professional3 Sense, which is actually a smart filter. So naturally I got quite excited about it. Spoke to the customer as well, and he's a man who likes his Apple Watch, he's got his smart thermostat, he's a man who loves his smart tech. So this is absolutely perfect. It's a 5-bedroom house on an open vented system, so as we all know, the chances of it collecting in an open system as opposed to a closed system is usually more likely. So this little beauty is perfect. So it's exactly the same fit as the Pro 2. So you've got your usual piping line-up tools. You'd all recognise these for the top and for the valve on the side. Exactly the same. The only difference is it's got a magnometer on the side. So this is the smart element of the filter. So simply, if you press the button, what that'll flash up all the way. It'll flash again. So this is a very clean system. So this is at its absolute cleanest. So as well with that, just to back that up, we've got the app, which is the installer's app, which we can monitor a number of customers' systems remotely, which I think is amazing. The other thing is the customer can also, as we did there, simply press the button, see what they're doing, but they can also monitor this via an app as well. So all in all, I think it's a great product. I'm really excited about it, and it's anything smart and new that works, which I'm sure this definitely will, is well worth the money.